Next week, 5 startup companies will pitch live for a big cash prize and some potential investment at the 5 Across Finals. Joining us to break it all down is Startup Accelerator Director Garrett Fahrbach. You're here with Awesome Inc. Tell us a little bit about Awesome Inc. first, so people just don't know about what you all do.
Well, first off, Victor, thanks for having us. So Awesome Inc., we've been around for 16 years now. We opened our doors April 1st of 2009, the same day Coach Cal started at Kentucky, but you know, we're still kicking. He's not.
Y'all lasted longer.
Yeah, we did. So we are an entrepreneur support organization here based in Central Kentucky, and so we support folks all across our state, but Lexington is our home, and we are never going to leave it. So we do everything from working with folks that have a blooming idea, they're trying to get a business off the ground. We do a pitch competition, which we're going to touch upon momentarily. And then the program I run helps startups that are actually having traction. They're making monthly revenue, they're scaling, either hiring companies, or they're looking to maybe make their first deployment of their app, their website, their tech. And then we have a venture capital fund, and then we recognize Kentucky's biggest and best entrepreneur success stories.
And that event, 5 Across, that you're talking about, is kind of going to culminate soon. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so it's actually a week from today, so I can't wait to see you there and the team. So this has been a 15-year-long anniversary, but really just a way to celebrate success stories of Kentucky entrepreneurs. So for us, it is like if Shark Tank, what we've all seen on TV, and your favorite high school pep rally got together. So it's a platform for us to recognize talent all across our state and give budding entrepreneurs a platform to share their story, share their business, and just give people some at-bats. Because most people don't realize how nerve-wracking it is when you ask for investment. It's a very sterile environment, and so for us, we want to make it fun, bring lights, bring confetti, just make people feel like the MVP for the night, because they're taking a risk. And so we want all of our fellow Kentuckians to come see what's feasible. A lot of people have this very incorrect notion of what Kentucky offers, and so we are trying to rewrite that story and give people just a chance to share what they're working on.
And so this is happening at the Kentucky Theater. People can come out and watch these pitches live?
Anybody can come out. We will give you free tickets, and it's a great avenue for come out with your business team, for family to bring the kiddos. And again, anyone is welcome. We're open to the public, and so we are selling out the bigger of the two venues at the Kentucky Theater, the 800-person seating theater.
And the people who win the competition, what do they get?
Yeah, so the winner this year is going to walk home with $55,000, some between cash prize, some between what's called a safe note.
Yeah. So
a simple agreement for future equity, meaning if you're going to invest in me, we agree upon some terms. When I hit those terms, I will receive said money. You take equity in my company.
But it's a good way to get that business started.
It is a good way to get it started, but also keep traction going.
And then if people want to take part in this next year, when should they be looking to get in?
That's a great question.
Okay.
So we have a rolling calendar application on our website. Anybody can apply. Just head over to 5across.org and submit an idea. Either myself or one of my colleagues, Ben, we will be the ones to vet you to see how legit this is, and we'll probably give some questions to, again, see how well thought out your ideas. But we take ideas all the time. We have a rolling calendar application. And it's always pretty special to see what people come up with.
Awesome. Sounds like it's going to be a fun time.
It'll be a great
Thanks for coming in and talking to us.
Thanks, Victor.